March 2025 will witness unique planetary alignments, potentially signaling significant global events. The total lunar eclipse of 13th and 14th March will be visible across North and South America. At this point, the planets are not so concentrated in one sign. However, in 15 days, an eclipsed sun will rise on 29th of March in the US. The eclipse will be visible in North America and Europe. Saturn is not part of the solar eclipse, it is still in Aquarius sign. Later in the afternoon, on the same day at 1:30 p.m., Saturn will enter Pisces and form a six-planetary alignment with Rahu, Venus, Mercury, Sun, and Moon. A six-planet conjunction is a rare occurrence, with the last notable one happening on December 25, 2019, just before the onset of COVID-19. Such large-scale alignments are often associated with major global shifts. Here we can see that Moon, Mercury, Saturn, and Neptune are combust. Mercury and Venus, which signify stock market and business, are retrograde. This time, the conjunction is more intense as it contains Saturn and Rahu, forming a Shrapit Yog. In the past, similar alignments have coincided with unrest and conflict. For example, when Saturn and Rahu were conjunct in Ardra Nakshatra, ruled by Rahu and symbolized by a teardrop, the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki occurred on August 6, 1945. The last Saturn-Rahu conjunction in Pisces happened in 1968, a year marked by turbulence and landmark events which includes assassinations of Martin Luther King Jr. and Robert F. Kennedy, the Tet Offensive, intensifying the Vietnam War, the Russian invasion of Czechoslovakia, the launch of Apollo 8, the first crewed mission to orbit the Moon. This Saturn-Rahu conjunction will occur in Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra, a fierce star symbolized by the front legs of a funeral cot, a sword, a two-faced man. This nakshatra is associated with transformation, rebellion, and perseverance, often bringing extreme and volatile forces into play. The deity ruling Purva Bhadrapada is Aja Ekapada, a fierce form of Shiva, associated with storms, floods, and secret societies, paralleling the influence of Neptune, the Roman god of the sea, earthquakes, and storms. Also note that Neptune will also be in Pisces during this time. Neptune is a generational planet and stays in one sign for about 144 years. It also rules the sign of Pisces. 6 planets coming in Pisces will make Neptune extremely powerful. Here I have the list of powerful nakshatra which are destructive in nature. Hiroshima and Nagasaki were bombed when Saturn and Rahu were in Ardra Nakshatra, which is part of this list. Purva Bhadrapada is also a fierce nakshatra which indicates performing destructive deeds such as demolishing, poisoning, setting fire, and confronting enemies. With Neptune, a 6-planet alignment, a Shrapit Yoga, and a solar eclipse in Pisces, there is an astrological indication of a possible earthquake followed by a massive tsunami within 3 months of the eclipse. The solar eclipse involves Venus, Mercury, and the Sun, which suggests turbulence in stock markets and businesses. After April 13th, world leaders and business figures may face setbacks. After May 14th, further economic instability is expected. Additionally, Pisces, a water sign, is linked to spirituality and enlightenment. However, the combination of Saturn, which indicates masses, and Rahu symbolizing rebels, may escalate religious tensions and riots. After 2nd April, Mars enters Cancer, where it is debilitated. This could lead to increased aggression and heightened conflict. The likelihood of religious riots and war may rise during this period. The months leading up to June 2025 could see a combination of wars, natural disasters, earthquakes and tsunamis, religious conflicts, and financial instability. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and for more updates on astrological predictions, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you.